Welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can crop videos on your Android device. So at the start we have to download this app. This is the name of this app, allow permissions, and just add your file by the plus and choose new project. Now just tap on the desired movie and click arrow. Tap on the timeline, on your video on the timeline, and choose crop. Now just add a video. You can also use the aspect ratio for the Instagram or other services, or just default one. And if you are ready, click here. Now just save the video, adjust the settings to your needs, and click save again. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.